The good news is the MSR cars are fast. The bad news was number 4 ended up with some damage yesterday. Tell us about how you got this one back going for today.
Yeah, look, it was a bit of an unfortunate incident out there yesterday, but fortunately we're prepared for this. We bring all the spares in the truck, so the team were able to get the car as good as new. If the race had been 3 hours after that incident, we would have got the car out there, but because we had overnight, you spend the time to really dot your I's and cross your T's and make sure the car's as good as new, and we're confident today that it's going to roll out as good as it was yesterday and hopefully be up the front of the timesheets.
Late night for the crew?
Yeah, it certainly was. We sort of a little bit past midnight, I think back at home to the hotel about 2 a.m. And then, a few hours sleep and ready to come back here and fresh faces and have a good day today.
Despite the damage, Cameron was 9th and Nick in the garage next to us was 2nd, so speed's there.
Yeah, look, we feel pretty confident in the cars. Cam was, we probably think he was doing it really well, and had he been able to put a lap out in the greens, might have got right up the front. So we really put the effort in. The boys really put the effort in last night to make sure the car's literally as good as new, so we can roll out today and keep that form going.